ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the last day of April. What a beautiful day going on here. Let's check out some Skycam shots this afternoon. Why not start down at Gulf Shores? Love that view. That's the view from the Phoenix All Suites. Looking back off to the east, you can see in the distance the construction on the new State Pier, replacing the old one that was destroyed by Hurricane Ivan back in 2004. Demopolis view right down the Tom Bigby River on a bright, sunny spring day. And from the mountains of East Alabama, that's from Mount Cheaha, looking south from the top of the restaurant there at Cheaha State Park. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful out there. There's the water vapor satellite imagery. Kind of got ridging going on here. Big trough in the northwest. That's going to be the next rain producer for the state. We'll watch that in coming days. Temperatures are warming up nicely. We started off the day many spots in the 30s this morning, but we are well up in the 70s this afternoon. Got some 80s out there in West Texas, and a good chance we'll see low 80s in here tomorrow. In terms of convection, this is the day 2 convective outlook for Thursday, a slight risk for places like Tulsa, Wichita, Fayetteville, Kansas City, Omaha, and Des Moines. And on day 3, which is Friday, a slight risk all the way from Tyler, Texas, and Jackson, Mississippi, up to Chicago and Indianapolis. And that includes Memphis and the northwestern corner of Alabama. And certainly we'll be paying attention to developments on Friday off to the west. The expected rain around the country, this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1 inch, and that sounds good to us. And much of that will come Friday night and Saturday. Let's take a look at modeling here. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. There's our big storm off to the west at the surface. The surface low is near Omaha, with the trailing front down into Texas, and inevitably showers and storms will fire ahead of that. But we'll have a a breezy and warm day today or tomorrow with highs up in the low 80s. With a good supply of sunshine. Friday, the system just kind of pokes onto the east a little bit slowly, and at the surface, the low is near Des Moines. And really, this keeps us pretty much on the dry side Friday, keeping the showers and thunderstorms off to the west, and there's no doubt here the GFS is trending slower. So it looks like we can begin to back off of the chance of rain during the day Friday and increase the chance late Friday night and Saturday. In fact, here's a look at Saturday, and now at midday, we've got the big band of storms blowing through here. So just a couple of days ago, it looked like the rain might be ending early Saturday morning. Now, it looks like Saturday could be a wet and potentially stormy day. And look at this now, with the delay in the storms getting here, this is the instability at 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon. By golly, we've got those surface-based capes in excess of 1,000 joules coming up through West Alabama. So all of a sudden now we might have to be a bit concerned about the possibility of strong to severe storms on Saturday. And there's the helicity values, and you can see that there's going to be some turnings. So now we're kind of going back on watch for the potential for strong to severe storms on Saturday. And then by Sunday, storms out of here. Should be a beautiful day, sunny and cooler, the high back in the low 70s. We'll go through next week. Monday looks like a beautiful day, as does Tuesday. And even Wednesday now coming in dry as a bone. This is May 7th. You really have to go to Thursday of next week, May 8th. Got a short wave to the west, and at the surface, showers beginning to show, but even that's not that impressive. And then finally on the 9th, Friday of next week, the weather turns wet. So based on this run, looks like the big event over this weekend will be Saturday, and next week it might be Friday before showers and thunderstorms get back in here. Let's go out there 4 more days. May 14th, look at the trough developing over the eastern U.S. Here comes a cold front with that, with a band of showers and storms. And a couple of days later, May 16th, the trough stays in place over the east, and that looks like the weather cooler than normal at that point. And we've seen that from time to time, so just maybe temperatures will be a bit on the cool side as we get there into mid-May, if that's right. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com, and of course we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.